Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I will share computer MCQs that came in IBA screening test paper held on 13 June 2023. In previous videos, I have shared general knowledge questions and everyday science questions. Question number 91. Which of the following is a binary equivalent of decimal number 128? And the correct answer is C. Question number 92. Which of the following is the decimal equivalent of binary number 10000011? And the correct option is A. 131. If you want to get 2 extra marks, so prepare well for binary and decimal number. Question number 93. Which of the following unit of the processor solves arithmetic and logical problems? And the correct option is D. ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. Question number 94. Which of the following is an example of optical storage device? A. DVD drive, B. SSD, C. hard drive, D. floppy drive. And the correct option is A. DVD drive. 95. The extension of MS Word 2016 files is A. XLSX, B. .docx, C. .doc, D. .xls. The correct option is B. .docx. You should read about extensions of PowerPoint and MS Excel. Question number 96. The shortcut key to save a workbook is Control S. C is the correct option here. If you want to prepare for shortcut keys, go on Reti Educational Academy computer playlist and watch Introduction to Computer lecture, shortcut keys lecture. Number 97. Which of the following provides those services which are not provided by the operating system? A. Operating system, B. Application program, C. Language translator, D. Utility program. And the correct option is B. Application program. Question number 98. Which of the following is a bridge between user and computer hardware? A. Operating system, B. Application program, C. Language translator, D. Utility program. And the correct option is A. Operating system. Question number 99. Personal computers are also called as A. Microcomputer, B. Supercomputer, C. Mainframe, D. Server. And the correct option is A. Microcomputer. Question number 100. The largest, fastest and the most expensive type of computer is the dash computer. A. Personal computer, B. Supercomputer, C. Server computer, D. Mainframe computer. And the correct answer is B. Supercomputer. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy and like this video.